Is it the beginning of a bearish market? The entire market crashed after the long bullish run. Now, it's very interesting, isn't it? You see this headline here? The entire market crashed after the long bullish run. I mean, we just crashed like 2 weeks ago the same way. So it's not like this is the first crash. After the long bullish run, it's written so weird. Crypto market is taken. Is this from the? Oh, this is from a different guy. The crypto market has taken a down step, presenting bearish signals or a step down. All the top cryptos are sloping down, standing on the nerves of investors. The entire crypto market displays the red trading charts after reaching new all-time highs. Significantly, the holders are experiencing a saddened part as the cryptos are falling in price value. This is a terribly written article. Users are amazed to witness this, that all the crypto assets are dropping in price value at the same time. As a treat for crypto users, so I feel like I'm reading a story here, the recent bullish rally performed well, providing a sweet spot for holders. The mainstream cryptos hit a new all-time high, while Bitcoin reached almost 69 and then dropped. So crypto analysts and investors stated that it would be a pullback for Bitcoin to result in an uptrend. Similarly, this market crash might also be a pullback for the crypto market to gradually reach heights in the near future. That's where we stand. The market initiates to rise steadily, then it may set up a new resistance and support level for all mainstream cryptos. And I want to start saying range. We need to get in the mindset of ranges, not lines, ranges. Market dump has a possibility to be a healthy pullback. Since the beginning of this year, we know most stuff is up. So, the question is, what is it? Here we go. We got the FUD stories trying to tell you why the price dropped. Bitcoin falls as China aim once again at extremely harmful crypto mining. Remember, all of this is a scam. All of this China crypto mining stuff is a scam.
And you're
all being scammed.
A Q&A question asking if you think the Van Eck ETF, the first, their spot one got denied. Now they have a futures one that looks like it's getting approved. Do you think that caused it, was their question?
The futures one's getting approved?
Yeah.
Why would that cause it if futures getting approved?
I agree.
I mean, the spot market, the spot one we knew was not getting approved. I told you that the entire time. And also the people in the know, the institutions, they also know those are not getting approved. So I don't think it had a big effect on the market.
There you go.
Chinese authorities are ramping up a crackdown on crypto mining, calling it an extremely harmful practice that threatens to jeopardize the country's efforts to reduce carbon emissions. The National Development and Reform Commission spokesperson Meng Wei blasted Bitcoin mining. Consumes lots of energy and produces lots of carbon emissions. They will launch a full-scale clampdown. If you don't know, let me tell you what this is all about. There are people and entities that are more powerful than China, period. This is a fact. China, people think China is out here, this like rogue country doing what it wants to do at all times. That's not true, okay? China was given a deal for this crypto mining dilution, okay? China at one time had almost 70, I think it was almost 70% of all the hash rate. If you look at all the mining pools, now some of the nodes that make up the mining pool, some of the miners that make up the mining pools, not the nodes, but the miners, they're in other countries. So it doesn't mean China had all the hash rate inside of its borders, okay? But China had too much. There was a deal made to crack down on Bitcoin mining in China to get the hash rate more spread around evenly across the world. What China did is China took a lot of their internal mining companies and they sent them to other countries, still under the name of China, okay? So just because a business, remember, China has to give permission to a business and an owner to leave their country to run their business elsewhere. How do you think they get that permission? They still funnel money back to China. It's all in the name of China. It's all in the name of the CCP. Now, what China was given in return for this, I've seen people say, is it Taiwan? It's not Taiwan, okay? But I'm not allowed to talk about it. I know what they were given. I know what China was given in this deal. But, that you guys may be able to figure out at some point. I can't even tell you how to figure it out. Something I would never have thought of. But China was given something in this deal. So this whole thing is a lie, okay? What you're seeing about this is all a lie. It's a myth. I would think this may have been some kind of coordinated FUD on this dip, on this, I believe, probably one of the last shakeouts we're going to see. So, people don't get to just leave China. You use logic, people. Use your brains here, and you'll understand this was a deal that was made for China to spread the hash rate to other countries. Look at what's happening in Kazakhstan. They're having, I think, power shortages. They're having something crazy in Kazakhstan because Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan are the #1 and #2 countries that China sent their miners to. Kazakhstan's having all kinds of problems with their power now. So